Hello student, myself Nimit Choksi. I am assistant professor in LJIT. Student, welcome to session number 4 of method of plane tabling. Okay, this is the part 2. In a part 1, I will explain the three method: radiation method, intersection method, and the traversing method. In session number 4, I will explain about the, that there are major 4 method, and in this particular session I will explain about the resection method. Okay, radiation, intersection and traversing I have already explained in session number 3. So starting the fourth number method will be the resection method. So first, method of resection. What is the definition of this particular method, as well as the when they apply this particular method? You know that the different type of the field condition are there. So method of plane tabling are depending upon the different field condition. When the field condition are there, all the station, all the object are commanding from the one station. So you have used the radiation. Then some not measurable point are there, so use the intersection method. When you conduct the survey of construction of road, rivers, as well as the making the open towers as well as the closed towers, so you have used the traversing method. Now which type of the field condition when you have used the resection method, so I will explain in detail. Okay, this method is used for establishing the instrument station only. The principle of the resection is opposite that the intersection method. So here clearly listen student, this is the some different principle or opposite principle of the intersection method. This method is used for establishing the instrument station. When you have the particular conduct the survey and establish the new station, so you have used the resection method. Like, why opposite of the principle of the opposite from the intersection method? In a intersection method, you have the plot the particular the ground station point on a drawing sheet, but here you have the opposite them. First you have find the station point on a drawing sheet, then after you have the put or transfer the on a ground, reversible. In a intersection method or the radiation method, already A, B, C, D point is given, as well as the O station is given. Then after you have put transfer the point capital O on a drawing sheet. It is a small O point, but here little bit concept will be the different. First you have draw the or establish the point on a drawing sheet, and then after you have the transfer on a ground. So this is the little bit different as well as the opposite principle of the resection. Very easy. I have already I have explained in detail with all the method of resection. Okay, so you have clearly understand. This method is suitable for the establish the new station at a place on in order to locate the missing details. When you establish the new station, then you use the resection method. Okay, so how to establish the new station on a ground on a drawing sheet, I will explain one by one method. So first, the special method of resection. In this particular resection, there are 4 method of resection: 1, 2, 3 and 4. One is the compass method, second will be the Becquerel method, third will be the 2-point problem, and fourth will be the 3-point problem. So there are 4 method of resection. Okay, I repeat this method: compass, Becquerel, 2-point problem and 3-point problem method. Okay, so start from the first method will be the compass method. Okay, the concept will be the same. You establish the new station on a ground. Okay, so first compass method. So similar that first you write the use of this method, then second step will be the draw the figure, and third will be the procedure. Okay, so this method is used for small scale mapping or rough mapping area. Okay, when you have the area will be the smaller, as well as you are the taken the conduct the survey from rough mapping. Okay, small scale mapping, then you use the compass method. It is a not very accuracy method, but only you have the just idea about the what type of the plane table as well as the new station will be established. Okay, do not orientation do not applicable affect the location of the plane table. When the location, why method name will be compass? Because the local attraction are not there, so you have used the compass. Okay, so now I have start the step one by one with in a figure. Okay, first A B point, small capital A and capital B, already plotted it on a drawing sheet. Okay, already plotted it here in a resection method, the opposite of the intersection. In an intersection you have plot the small and small point B point on a drawing sheet, but here you have already given the point capital A, small a and small b on a drawing sheet. So A and B already plotted it on a drawing sheet with small a and small b. You already know capital A and capital B will be the ground point, and small letter point and small letter point of B will be the drawing sheet. Okay, student. So now first A and B already plotted it on a drawing sheet. Now you have to find the station C. Okay, your main goal will be the establish the new station will be the C, because C are missing, as well as the any type of the field condition you are not the taking the capital C point are there. So you have randomly taken the on a C point from A to B of any distance, like here A to B are there, so you have put the plane table, set up the plane table at anywhere, here, but the on an exam as well as the conduct the survey on a field, you know that the C station will be put not set up out of the A point as well as the out of the B point. Okay, you have the taken the C point between the A to B and try to cover the center are there. You have visible are there. This is the distance between A to B. So you have put the station from center from the A to B. Okay, on a ground. So you have set up the C. It is not the particular the right, means you are not the, this is the false station are there. You are randomly put out this station. Okay, so anywhere between the A to B you have set up the plane table at C, point C. Okay, so you have set up the plane table at C, center it and label it. A and B already plotted it on a drawing sheet. Now your orientation or the particular you are marking the north. Why? Because your method will be the compass method. So first you are marking the north on a particular on a plane table. Now this is the randomly you have set up the C station between A to B. This is not the right station. Okay, this is the wrong. This is the wrong station are there. You have find now accurately of the point C on a drawing sheet, because the principle will be the different. First you have find the point on a drawing sheet, then after you have the using the U4 with plumb box you have put down the or the transferring the point on a ground. Okay, so now you have put the LED at A, bisect the point A and draw the rays, and it is the name will be the A dash. Now similar that pivoting the LED at B and draw the rays, it is the B dash, and the intersection of point A dash and B dash line, it is your completely new station established on a drawing sheet, not a ground. It is on a particular to establish the point on a drawing sheet will be the small C point. Then after you have transferred the point, clearly listen student, last step, you have transferred the point C on a particular ground using the U4 with plumb box. In the intersection method, your procedure will be the different. You have transferred the point ground to sheet. Here, sheet to ground. Okay. So this is your closed towers are there, and you have established the C station on a particular ground with using the compass. That's why your method will be the compass method. So our main concept are there of the resection. Establish the new station. Establish the new station. You have already given the A and B station, but not C station is given. So establish the C station on a drawing sheet as well as the ground station using the A and B point with using the compass method. Okay, so you have clearly understand. Hope you have clearly understand. Okay, this is the first method of resection will be the compass method. Now the second method will be the back-ray method. Okay, so the back-ray method also used for the establish the new station. Okay, here clearly seen this method is suitable for the establish the new station at place in order to locate the missing details. Okay, Now, the position of the station occupied by the plane table is located with the reference to station whose location have been plotted. I have already explained in detail in first line. Okay, after you are understanding the all the figures, so you clearly understand this is the this first line. Okay, so now I am starting the backray method. Fix our main goal will be the finding the new station will be the C station. Okay, so how to determine the C station? So first, A and B station already plotted it on a drawing sheet like this. A and B already plotted it, but using the backray method, you have the set up the plane table at any two station. Why? Because you are doing the backsiding. So backsiding are there. So not the only one station you have put and doing the backsiding, but you have the taken from the two station, set up the plane table at two station. So clearly you are doing the backsiding method. So A and B already plotted it. Here you are not the draw the A and B, but you are just check accuracy check. Okay, so A and B, it is the this is the line is right and wrong. You are only the check. Okay, not plotting. Why not plotting? Because in a resection method, point will be the already plotted are there. Okay, so A and B already plotted it are there on drawing sheet, but set up the plane table at A with respect to orientation respect to B. Okay, so now next step, you have established the new station. So first you have keep the LED touching at A, and you have taken the C1 point and any greater distance. You have visible any field are there. Okay, so greater distance you have the establish the one race, it will be the C1. So now you have measurable distance. So first you have measure the distance between A to C1 and plot the C1 line or A to C1 line on a drawing sheet. Like example, A to C1 will be 20 meter. So or else you have taken the scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter equal to 1 centimeter. So the distance you have taken AC1 will be the 20 centimeter on a drawing sheet. So now first you have taken the AC1 line. Now listen student, this is the last step, it is a very important. Okay, then after you have set up the C station, because your main goal will be the find the new location or new establish the station. So on a line AC1 line, which line? AC1 line, you have put the plane table at C station. Okay, like example, AC1 line will be the 20 meter or 50 meter, you have any distance you have taken. So in a particular AC1 line, you have put the C station anywhere. Like here you are thinking about, I have taken C point here, here, any line you have put the station C. Okay, so here I have set up the plane table at C. It is the false station. Why? Because this is not the accurate station. You are only the randomly set up the station. So it is a C station. You have set up the plane table. You are already A and B and A to C1 line drawing sheet are there. Okay, so already plotted it. Now last step. Here it is the method of backray method. So here you have put the LED at A and you have checked the backsiding or orientation with respect to capital A. So that's why the method will be the backray method. In a compass method, not necessary, because you have orientation with compass, but here you have orientation with the backsiding method. Backray method are there, so you have orientation with respect to capital A with using the backsiding method. Okay, you are already studied in a orientation method. So now here put the LED at A, okay, and backsiding the capital A. Then after you have put the LED or pivot the LED touching at B point, and you have draw the race of B, and the intersection of the line in a particular AC1 line. Which line? AC1 line. The intersection point will be accurate of C point. Where you have taken the C point or getting the C point on a drawing sheet, not a ground. Then after your last step, you transfer the C point on a ground with using the U work with Lambo. So this is the little bit hard method, but I have explained in with animation, so you clearly understand step by step. So I repeat this method. First, A and B already plotted it. Okay. Then after you have set up the plane table at A, not the plotting A and B, already plotted at point. So you have only check the accuracy. Then after you have established the AC1 line at a greater distance. Okay, in a AC1 line you have measurable distance, so AC1 line, plot the C1 point on a drawing sheet. Then you have put the plane table or set up the plane table on a line of AC1. So here I have set up the station at C. It is the wrong station, not the right station, only just for the reference. Now you have checked the orientation with using the backsiding method, A to capital A. Then after you have set up the keeping the touching the elided of B and bisect the point 1 race, and you are getting the point in a AC1 line will be the small C point. So C point will given on a drawing sheet. Then after you have using the U-fork with plumb bob, this C point you have transferred on a ground. So this is the back ray method. Okay, hope you have clearly understand, student. Okay, so student, in this session I will explain about the two method. It is the one resection method, one is the compass method, and one will be the back ray method. In a next session I will explain about the 2-point problem as well as the 3-point problem. Okay, so thank you so much watching this video. You have remembered this particular two method, compass method as well as the back ray method. Thank you so much.